Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mgeni and today is, what day is it? I'm not sure, but I'll put it in the corner somewhere. But I just came back from work and my husband's coming. He's gonna take us to the beach. It's a beautiful day in Cape Town. It's so hot and we just want to go to the beach. We're gonna take the kids to the beach and have a beach day. It's not gonna be a whole day because it's already 4 o'clock right now, so we're going to an evening beach day. But welcome if you're new here. I'm just gonna change my outfit because I think I want to wear my brown pants and a vest, and then I'll see what else I'm gonna wear. But I'm changing my head wrap because I don't want to make this one dirty. But I'll catch up with you guys when we get to the beach. Otherwise, if you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I really do enjoy having you here. You need a basket to make a sandcastle. How are you gonna make a sandcastle?
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend this love story will never end.
Water.
Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and
Good girl, good girl, good girl.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I, wild and free.
Not okay.
Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where all is like. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I, forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, the rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I, forever, wild and free.
Excuse my bra. Love can touch us one time, and that's for a lifetime. And never let go till we Love was when I loved you. One true time I hold you in my life will always blow. Guys, I don't know if you see me, but we're back home from the beach. I am feeling a bit sick. It was a bad idea, but a good one. I had so much fun. I'm just gonna eat something and have some allergies because my throat and my allergies are just flaming up. But anyways, if you watched until this far, you're a real one, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one.